Did Santa come, you guys? You did? What else?
My shirt.
All that stuff right there is yours, Blake.
Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Hey. Whoa.
What else did you guys get?
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, cool. What else did you guys get? Do you know what that is, Grady?
What?
Blake, look, you got one too. Santa's letting us go to a water park at a hotel. Let's see, show me.
I always wanted this.
Oh, you did?
Remember we said this had a store?
You know what Santa told me those bags were for, you guys?
No.
So you could put your rest stuff in there for school.
Not in a backpacks anymore.
Right.
You like the chairs, Blake?
Yeah, what do you
All
want?
the cookies.
He what?
Ate all the
He
cookies.
did not, did he?
Yeah.
He must have been
Something
hungry.
else. Randy ate all of.
What about your chair?
Your chairs. Take your
There's something
chairs.
in the socks, Blake.
What's in your stocking?
Blake, we got something in the stocking.
What'd you guys get?
I got this one.
What
oh, I
is
got pajamas.
I think those are new underwear.
I got new.
You can't Drew her stuff. That Drew's yeah, hand it to Drew. Drew says.
I got. We got the same kind of thing, no? Is this?
Whoa.